Welcome! WordPress.com has released an AI website builder. If you go to WordPress.com, or if you go to your favorite search engine and you type in WordPress.com and you look for Website Builder, you will see a search result for the WordPress.com website builder. The builder is free in order to get started using it. On the sales page, you will see plans and pricing for the AI builder. This builder will not be available for existing sites. You will need to use this builder to build a website from scratch. You can start the process by clicking this button that says Get Started. You will be asked to create an account. We're going to create an account. Once you log in with your account, the builder will then be available and you can use the dialog to describe your site. And once you do that, you can then click Enter. You will then get clarifying questions. Answer the clarifying questions and you may get additional clarifying questions. And you will see the process taking place in real time as WordPress built out your site. And you will then see it available. You can then customize the actual design that WordPress has, or you can do that part later. And WordPress will then take you through a wizard to customize your design. And if you like the design, you can then click Launch and you can then click Continue. And then continue the process. You can connect a domain that you already have, or you can choose a domain and purchase through WordPress.com. So WordPress does have an AI builder that will allow you to build a site and to leverage the AI in the design process. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.